So today, day 5, our final day of this activation series, we are going to replenish. We're going to connect deep with Earth again with the intent and purpose of replenishing ourselves, mind, body, and spirit. Barakia, baraku. And through this replenishment, we take ourselves to the next level. Our energetic fields expand. Specific coding will be coming into your field for you to continue to tap into and use. And today's connection is going to affect you deeply on a cellular level. It is going to assist your cells over the coming month and the rest of this year to clear and cleanse and fill, replenish much more easily. Leaving you feeling more balanced and connected to self. So let's get started. The energy is already flowing. Bayenda borikirakara, barikirakara, barikiraka. Time to sit back in your chair and bring your attention to your breath. Gently closing your eyes. Allowing the body to find its natural rhythm in the breath. Barikia borkorikia. And as you connect deeper and deeper with yourself, the room around you begins to fade away. You are standing at the edge of a beautiful ancient rainforest. Filled with the tallest trees you have ever seen. All shades of beautiful greens. From the dark green foliage beneath, the new foliage in bright green, and the many colors in between of all of the flora. The air is damp and clean. You breathe it in. And the sun's rays shine down through the mist that works its way through the trees, above and below the canopy. The sounds of birds and insects are of plenty, and at times slightly deafening. The sound of those birds filling you with joy as you hear their chirping and singing as laughter, as they connect to their joy and share it with you. You make your way through that beautiful rainforest, the foliage brushing your legs. You feel the dampness of the air on your skin. can hear running water in the distance. And as you make your way through some beautiful tree ferns, you are presented in front of you with the largest tree you have ever seen. As you stand beneath it, you gaze up, and you cannot see the top as it breaks through the canopy of the other trees. And its width and breadth is ever expansive. You feel it calling you. You take yourself to the base of the tree and you sit down, leaning your back up against its beautiful trunk. And as you connect with the tree, you feel its energy pulsing through your body, up and down your spine. You become very aware of your base chakra, expanding and pulsing with the energy that is flowing through you. And your grounding cord from the center of your base chakra grows, begins to expand, extends down into the earth, combining with the roots of the tree. Down, down, down it goes. But not only down does it expand, expanding horizontally, going out in every direction, following the roots of the tree, this tree supporting the life force energy of this beautiful rainforest. And you are connecting and combining with this. This energy is working its way back up through your body, the energy of the earth beneath you. This beautiful rainforest, its DNA is imprinting on every cell in your body. And the expansion of your grounding cord, your roots, are imprinting your DNA throughout this ancient place. The cells of your body clearing, cleansing, and rejuvenating, filling with the life force of the rainforest. Feel it flowing through your body. You are one with the rainforest. The rainforest is one with you. And when you leave this place today, it comes with you. And you stay with it. Its balancing power, its life force energy, connecting deep with your internal core, your battery. Each time you connect with this rainforest, you will be filled internally. Your ability to heal and connect with the earth is enhanced significantly today. As the portal of the balancing and earthing connections of this week come to an end, the new connection, the new earth energies as we shift into next week expand, and you will connect with them very easily and simply. So as you begin to come back to yourself, your physical form, this connection comes with you. It does not leave. You are now permanently connected to the ancient tree in which you sat beneath. And the ancient energies of the rainforest. Darabarakia, barakarakia, barakurikira, karakara, bringing that serenity, the power of nature, back into your physical form as you come into yourself, becoming conscious of your breath. When you are ready, slowly and gently opening your eyes. And coming back into your human form. Do not rush yourself away from this energy. Stay in it as long as possible today. Very important to get your bare feet on the earth today. Allow the energy that has entered your body to enter the earth around where you live. Bring that pristine connection into your home and your surroundings. Lots of water today. Listen to your body. If it needs to rest, then rest. Allow the energies of the week to integrate through your human form, there have been many changes on a DNA level, a cellular level, but also through the layers of your field. Many activations, much coding has been delivered to your field this week. It needs to integrate. Allow it, give it the time, meditate, connect to you, maintain your connection to the environment this week. Please share this activation and meditation with your family and friends. Please tag them in the post. Please like the Saramatu page. It is about sharing this message, sharing this energy. The more it is shared, the greater impact we have on the collective, in raising the vibration of the collective consciousness. It is why you are here, to raise the vibration of the collective. And a few important notices. Infinite Potential 10-week program, 3 years of acceleration in 10 weeks, starts on Tuesday, the 1st of March. Please send a message if you wish more information. And coming up on the 11th of May, the 4-day retreat of connection back to self. Connection back to self and expansion and significant acceleration also. Please message if you have any questions. But please share your experiences from this week's activations and your connection with the beautiful ancient rainforest today. Much love and many blessings to you all, and we will see you next time. Goodbye for now. Much love and many blessings to you all, and we will see you next time. Goodbye for now.